Hey guys, how's it going? Here's another one of my homemade guns. It's a SD9 frame modified to take Glock mags, 3D printed. I use PLA plus. The actual texture of the gun is I used a truck bed liner. This gun has about 500 or 600 rounds through it. No failures yet, but there's some slight issues getting the slide off after I shoot it. So I'm not too sure what that's all about. It gets hung up on the locking block. This is actually a SD9, but I used a SW9 VE build kit, and I've named it the Glock Wesson. I just lasered it in. And I cut this out. There's also a video of this making this slide that goes on here. I'll post some of the details and videos on this. The only issues I've ran into really is after about probably two boxes of rounds. I don't know what's wrong, but same spot on the magazines, it starts to like peel almost. You can see it like starting to separate right here. So I'm not too sure what's going on there. You can see it right there. It's happened on almost every magazine I've printed. So I get about 100 rounds through it before I replace them or knock that burr off and go a couple more. I've been getting a lot of questions on the sear on this gun because the sear is the protective part of the SD9's gun or frame or whatever. I've been helping people out by emailing them back the pictures of the steps I took to make this work. Pretty much I took a SW9 sear and modified it into the SD9's housing. You need the SD9's housing for these rails, and the SW9, their housing's smaller than this, and it doesn't have the rails. So you will need to get the SD9's sear housing. The locking block, I can't remember why, but this is an SD9 locking block. The SW9 wouldn't work. I can't remember why. The second problem that I get a ton of emails on is how I made or how I got the front rail block. This is actually I handmade it. There's a file on there that you can 3D print the front rail. So I did that, and then I just used my milling machine and soldering iron. And I'll poke it out real quick to show you. I can't go in detail how it was made, but I can show you. Kind of looks like a part of an old stapler. Weird. Maybe if you got an old stapler and drilled it out and soldered it together, it might be the exact size. Just a guess, though. But yes, that's the rail that everybody asks about. And then the pins, my build kit didn't come with them. So I just used the broken drill bits I've had in the right size. Have had no issues with them. Almost looks like someone soldered this piece on to catch that. Another weird observation.